The time to put some coilovers on the M2 is now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and it's maybe one that I should have done a long time ago. Every single G-Series car comes with that monster truck fitment from factory.
This car definitely had it, and honestly right now, it might not look like the car sits that bad, because it doesn't, but we are on a set of MMR adjustable springs.
But as you can see here, my fitment in the front,
oh my God, I can actually almost fit 3 fingers.
And that's even with the springs absolutely maxed out to the lowest setting. Now the reason why I just did springs originally along with many other owners is because of the fact that the coilovers for these cars are pretty expensive. The springs are about $1,000 to $1,400, while a good set of coilovers can run you anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 plus.
So if you're gonna be spending money on your suspension, you might as well do it right the first time so you don't have to pay twice like I am. Inside these 2 boxes are my Öhlins Road and Track System coilovers
that I got from ECS Tuning.
Now because we are going lower in the front, this is an absolute necessity for any S55 or S58.
That is a skid plate that I got from Mishimoto.
And it protects the oil cooler, which sits underneath your car fully exposed.
Let's get the car in the lift, I'll show you what I'm talking about, and get started on these coilovers.
Okay, the coils are on. This is how we're sitting.
This is not the final ride height, but it is what we decided to leave it on for that night. I wanted to drive around a bit more and let the car settle a little bit. I don't actually know exactly how much we lowered it by. We got about a 1-finger gap in the back. The front still has a bigger gap, like not 2 fingers, maybe like 1.5 fingers. Definitely more room to go down here. I'm thinking we could get away with another 1/2 inch. At that point, it might get a little slammed, but honestly, I spent all this money. I want to take advantage of it. As for the ride quality, I want to say they feel amazing. The body roll is basically 0, no body roll at all in the corners. Haven't pushed it too hard because I'm still waiting to get my alignment done. I wanted everything to properly settle. I also want to finalize the ride height that I'm comfortable with. Before I do that, my rear suspension is a little bit out of shape because of the fact that my adjustable springs had a cracked bolt in the collar, so the car was kind of sitting lopsided. It was not even, so my toe, my camber, everything in the rear is kind of out of shape. The car doesn't feel like it's on coilovers in the sense of uncomfortability. Like, it doesn't feel like it's stiff or clunky or whatever. It feels very smooth. It absorbs bumps and cracks super well. Now, because I'm not retaining my EDC, I do have a chassis code, so I need to go ahead and get someone to delete my EDC and code it out. Aside from that, pretty smooth install. Super happy so far. First couple days of driving the car. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car a little bit more tomorrow night, and then I can get my alignment done and give you my full review, and also give you the final look of this car on the Öhlins Road and Track coilovers. Okay, everything's been adjusted. The car looks phenomenal, but before I show you what it looks like, I wanna say, this is easily the best fitment on any car I've ever had, and also the lowest fitment on any car I've ever had. And because of that, I'm gonna play some clips here of what that just did to my front lip.
Jesus. I wasn't even that low of a drop.
Oh, baby, I feel so bad. We should have taken my truck.
I took my girlfriend to a tulip farm, and honestly, maybe it's on me for not doing my research on what the parking lot situation was gonna be like. It is a farm after all, but that just cooked my lip.
Oh my God, I mean, not a single part of this lip survived. Granted, this over here was somewhat already cracked, and then the other day I hit a rabbit, but this is from the farm, so this thing's gotta come off. Now, good thing I had this exact same lip on the car before. This is it right here, as you can see. Not nearly as much damage overall until you get to right here. And guys, I don't even know.
Maybe I just can't drive. That happened because I hit a curb because I was about to rear end someone because I maybe braked too late and I steered out of the lane. This looks bad, I know, but at least I'm not curbing my wheels. Anyways, I'm gonna throw this on and then I'm gonna give you the full reveal of the fitment. Oh my God, it looks good. I'm gonna clean this one up, take it home, and hang it on a wall somewhere. Good thing I had my skid plate. Oh my God. Oh!
Okay, new lip is on, looks good as new, just don't go over there. This is gonna be the last time I get a lip that comes out this far, sits this low, angles the way it does, and is as aggressive as it is. I want something subtle and clean that I can actually keep on the car and not destroy every second week. Let's clean the car real quick and then take it to a nice spot to show you guys my amazing fitment.
It's all clean now, and I want you guys to comment down below what you actually think of it, your honest opinion. Is it too low? Should I raise it up? What do you think of how this car sits? Because I love it. At the start of this video, it was damn near a 3-finger gap. Like I could actually go probably 2.5 solidly. Now, I can't even get one in there. It stops at the knuckle. And because of the offset, because of the way the wheels sit, it does not rub at all in the front. That makes me so happy, because my biggest concern with running this tire setup, that it's kind of a meaty tire setup, is that it might rub, but I think it tucks absolutely perfectly. This actually might even be a tiny bit lower, but it's on a bigger tire. It's a 20 in the back. Sits nice and snug in there. I'll show you guys some before and after clips to really get an idea on how much of a difference this drop had and what these coilovers did for this car. Like, I really do think now, I said this before, but every angle of this car looks so good and so aggressive. I also think in the front, people were complaining that I may have went with too big of a tire and too small of a rim, even though it's a factory wheel size. And I felt that once I lowered the car, it would kind of make it look more normal because there was too much of a gap in the front. And I do think this ride height makes these rims look a lot better than before. Now, because I'm running a 20 and a 305 in the back, this is definitely as low as I can go. It does actually rub a tiny bit, but not on the fender itself. This is all completely smooth. It's on like the inner liner, if you can see here. This part kind of bulges out, so it rubs a little bit on that, on aggressive bumps. Nothing too concerning and nothing too consistent. Again, I love the way it looks so much. I can't change it. I have to leave it how it is. Okay, I'm gonna interrupt myself right there so you guys can hear a nice, beautiful cold start before I go and get my alignment done. My camera died, so I'm filming on the phone. You already know where we're at for our alignment. It's LTG. Okay, we got the before. A lot of red, a lot of stuff going on here. Car was driving really bad. Now we got the after. We got a lot of green. Hopefully the car drives a lot better. Don't really know too much about what I'm looking at, but all right. And if you're looking to upgrade your own suspension, make sure you check out ECS Tuning. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like the fitment and like this new look of the car as much as I do. Between the new wheels and the new suspension, this car had a pretty big transformation. But we're not stopping there, okay? Because I may be rewrapping the car second week of June. I'm not gonna say what color, it might be going down. We've also got an upgraded clutch and a heat exchanger to go on so that I can finally go on stage 2. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.